friends, welcome back. Today we are going to make our own hand sanitizer. As you know, it's hard to find hand sanitizer out there, so we're just going to make our own. And back by popular demand with me today is our She-Rex. She-Rex needs help making her hand sanitizer. No, She-Rex, remember, friend, not food. You gotta watch She-Rex. So in order to make our own hand sanitizer, what we need is just a few simple ingredients. 91% rubbing alcohol and aloe. A clean, dry container to mix it in. A wee little funnel. And a squeeze bottle to squeeze it out in. Oh, and of course, a measuring cup. All right, let's make some hand sanitizer. Okay, so now in order to make hand sanitizer, what we need to do is we want 1 part aloe vera and 2 parts of our alcohol. Now, from everything that I have read and I have been advised of, you do not want to use anything less than the 91%. The 91% can be a little tricky to find right now, but I have been able to find it in the last week or so, and pretty much the majority of the places I looked. So you definitely can do that. So what we want to do, first we're going to take our aloe and we're going to use our measuring cup, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of our aloe. And once we have that, I always like to shake it up because this has to be very precise. It has to be exactly as instructed in order for it to be what it needs to be. So you want to make sure that it's exactly 2 tablespoons. So I like to give it a little bit of a shake and a wiggle just to make sure. And then once that you know it's 2 tablespoons, you want to add it to your little bowl. And it's very important that whatever you're using to mix this in is clean and completely dry, like not even a drop of water. Okay, once you have your aloe in, then you want to take your alcohol, 91%, and we're doing, remember, 2 parts alcohol to 1 part aloe, so we did 2 tablespoons of aloe, so now we need 4 tablespoons of alcohol. We're going to stick that in there. Do it again. And now T-Rex will go ahead and mix this solution up for us. The reason why you have to be very precise is simply because the formula for hand sanitizer has to be 60% alcohol. Anything less than that isn't considered a good hand sanitizer. So that's why you need the 91% alcohol, and you have to make sure that you have nothing else going on in your formula. Anything that you put in here, like fragrance, anything, coloring, will throw off that formula. And we don't want to do that because then there's really no point in making it. So now once that you have everything done and it's all mixed up, you're going to take your little funnel and your tube there with the squirt top, put it down in, and then you're just going to pour it in. All right, so now we've made our hand sanitizer. So let's go ahead and try this out on our She-Rex. Let her sanitize her She-Rex paws. There you go, She-Rex. Feel good? Feel fresh and hand sanitized? All right, She-Rex. All right, friends, thanks for tuning in with us today. I hope you guys have a great weekend and stay safe out there. Say bye, She-Rex.